So here's where we write to command log JSON, and this is where the commands are run. So every second we're reading command JSON. In command.json, we may get one command, we may get two, we may get three. So I created a while loop so that we can get every wave of new commands. Every command in command JSON we're going to read in 1 second. So where are we? Okay. So if we have pause or resume, then this is toggled. Now, if it's pause and terminal trade is already allowed, then we toggle. If it's pause and terminal trade is not allowed, then we just ignore the command and throw it away. Same thing goes for resume. If our next command is resume and terminal trade is not currently allowed, then it's toggled. However, if the next command is resume, but terminal trade is already allowed, then we throw that command away. If the command is stop and terminal trade is allowed, we toggle so we can pause. If terminal trade is not allowed, then it just stays paused, and we close the terminal. So let's take a look at command.json, the command.json that we have. So it's going to pause, then it's an erroneous command, then we resume, pause, pause, and resume. Let's take a look and see what happens. So I'm going to start ManageTerminal using the script that I created. Actually, before that, let's take a look at common.ini. So regarding the startup settings, we're supposed to have a chart that has a symbol of GBP USD, period H1, and expert mama. So let's take a look and see if the errors are reported correctly. And let's take a look at the command actually. Alright, the commands were executed. Of course, no more command JSON found because the file was deleted. File was deleted. But look, we have command log JSON. And let's take a look at what's here. Of course, this is from the HTML stuff is from the web request. The web request can't be made because we need the VPS server, but if we're running on localhost, then there is no VPS server. And right now I have it, I have the URL not at localhost, but at the EFRT server. So that's why I'm getting all that HTML. So this is from the script. This is the terminal ID. We have the login, we have the server. And this is the iteration of the charts. Let's see the discrepancies. We have FTP settings error. Startup chart parameters do not match what is in common ini file. Is that correct? Yes, because we don't have a GBP USD chart with H1 and expert mama. We have this one with H1, but we don't have expert mama running with it. So yes, that is correct. And we don't have any FTP settings here. So we can't send FTP. So this is correct. And this is the error message that gets sent. Of course, we failed to report the error. And this is where the commands were executed. Maybe if I put 200, it would be better. Alright, just to show that the command is working, the command stuff, let's see if all that stuff gets added to command log JSON without any problems. So alright, save that. And actually, let's add expert mama. Is it, which expert mama is it? Yes, okay. Alright. So we have an erroneous command, yep. Now we only have FTP settings error because we iterated through the charts and we have GBP USD H1 with expert mama running on it. So now we do have a chart that matches these startup settings. So that error disappears. So now we just have the FTP settings error. Okay. Now let's take a look at the command log. Okay. All good. Okay, the more recent ones end up on top. Now let's try one more. There we go. And it stopped. So, oh, one more thing. There we have it. Command log JSON is getting updated accordingly. And command JSON disappears. So this is all of ManageTerminal's functionality. Of course, there's much room for improvement, but that'll be addressed in the shortcomings video. That being said, thank you for watching. And my name, once again, is Nicholas Nunez. My email is nnune028@fiu.edu. And the product owner is Dr. Masood Sajadi, whose email is sadjadi@cs.fiu.edu. Thank you and have a nice day.